Okay.
Hello. How are you doing?
Good.
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Anita Pomahasai. Today, I am so glad to be here to talk about the education system in Laos. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Yes.
Well, as we know that the Laos PDR is the developing country. So, if you were the leader, what would you want to do? What would you like to do to develop our country? Well, in my point of view, I think that the first thing that we should develop is the education system. So, as we know that the human resources is the most valuable resource of every nation. So, if the people are well educated, so the economy and other departments will grow faster. Therefore, we should develop our education, especially the quality of teachers in Laos, because if the teachers are good, the students are also doing good as well, so that the government should support and focus on education system and develop our education. I strongly believe that one day I will be the good leader in the future. Thank you so much.